All right, Cesar with Chatham Mortgage Partners, and today I'm talking about home renovation loans. We know there's a lot of properties out there that need renovation. There's borrowers out there, buyers that don't have those extra funds. This is the ideal program. Let's go over what the program entails. So number one, you need a minimum 20. You need as little as 3% down to qualify. You can go from 1 to 4 units, but the LTV, loan to value, down payment changes. Number 4, it can be for investors, investment. Number 5, there's no minimum on the repairs. And number 6, you can actually use a non-occupant co-borrower to qualify. Now let's go over the scenario. So in this scenario, you're buying at a 600 purchase price. The way the bank is going to help you get those renovation funds is that you're actually going to get 3 comparables of properties that are going to have similarities as to what you're going to add to your property, whether square footage, whether renovating the kitchen, renovating everything in the property. And let's just say those properties are worth $900,000 because they've been renovated. So because we're in our loan limits right now are $970,800, you still fall within those guidelines. You actually have $300,000 to work. So you'll be able to use those $300,000 to renovate your property and get it up to par to what those other properties are like. This is an outstanding program for people that really want to take advantage of properties that need a lot of renovation or need renovation. Please share, like, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have a scenario, we can show you the complete breakdown because there's obviously more to this program. There's a lot of details to it, but this is just a basic example. Thank you so much.